at this nun right here. We got the nun right here, guys. My homie's a little scared to get closer, and I don't blame him. Oh, hell no. What's cracking, everybody? It's your boy Keep Fresh. We're out here with a special guest today. Can you give me a car sound effect right now? Yeah, I thought there was a car behind me, but... Dancing. Oh, damn. You're right, hey, you're right. Damn. We got the cop lights on top. Gotta turn on the lights. Hey, let me see them lights. We gotta see the lights. There you go. Damn, sick ass lights. Is that Suspect? Hey! Mr. Suspect dropped the jerseys and now he's out here all white shirt today. By the end of the night, what color is it gonna be?
All black.
Oh. Alright guys, so there's a gas station right here and they're doing some ratchet ass donuts right here. Oh, hell no. He killed the coke. We got the gas station right here, guys. Any minute now. Oh my god. So right now we're on our way to the next location as we speak. There's some good ass turnout today. Look at the background right here. A lot of people are here today. Hey. We're on our way to the next location and we're stuck in the traffic jam right here. Just know that this is all because of the meat. It's like, oh, it's a one way and there's like 3 lanes and shit. And I like how this guy right here has pink Tober. The SRT, and then we got the Beamer matching my Toros today. I got the Toros on today. Over here, and there's still a lot of people still coming. Look over here. We legit been walking for another 40 miles, guys. This thing's insane. I'm already out of breath and I'm tired. But we finally made it to the spot, guys. They're already getting disgusting out there right now. Hey, we got a subscriber for Daisy. What's up, buddy? What's up? Hey, I see somebody rocking my shoes right here somewhere in the crowd. Let me see. Nah, I see them somewhere. Alright, they're right there. Look, we're twinning now. We're twinning now. We got a twin today. We got a twin today. I like that. I like that. but we out here, guys.
Este güey me da asco.
Este güey me da asco más.
Wow.
La pinche cara que tiene.
Ese güey se mira con mi pene, güey.
Fuck, they're saying que se parecen like dick. What's that? Let's go! Holy shit! What's up, buddy? What's up? What's cracking? What's cracking? What's cracking? What's cracking?
Arriba Tijuana!
Hey, Tijuana! That's right. Hey, what's cracking? What's cracking? We out here. Alright, guys. So I just recorded the guy destroying the car. This is the aftermath of this car right here. Cops are here, we're going on to the next location. Go, 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 go! Vete la verga, güey! Okay, watch, 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 watch. Look at how the cops came, guys! Be careful, because the cops could get off, the cops could get off. The cops are coming in hot, guys, they're coming in freaking hot. Nah, you're good, you're good! They came in hot, guys. Yeah, we're gonna get blocked. Okay, bro, so... Oh, shit! No, 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 you're good, it's a car, it's a car, it's a car. God, guys, today... it's crazy. People getting ran over. We got the guy trying to escape, crashing the cars. Cops are coming in hot. More cars, more cop cars are coming in as we speak. Here's more right here. Hello?
Hey, did you get trapped in there?
Nah, fool, I left. We went through the back of the donut shop.
Jesus Christ, you almost got trapped and we were the last car.
Oh my god. You already know the rules, suspect. What's wrong with you?
Spend some days in the trap, make my money up. Bust it down the road like that, she tryna